Celebrating social media milestones with a creative graphic is a very popular thing to do. Whether you just hit 10K, 100K, or a million, you're going to want to try this magic feature to create your next milestone graphic. Without further ado, let's hop in. Magic Morph is just one of many AI-powered tools inside of Magic Studio. Before I hop into how to utilize it, if you want to get access to a free 45-day trial of Canva Pro, feel free to utilize my link, lashondabrown.com/Canva45. Magic Morph helps you turn the ordinary into the extraordinary in seconds. It transforms your words and shapes with a simple written prompt, and it helps you to apply effects to the text and shapes to quickly create patterns and textures. So, long story short, you can start out with a simple shape like this and transform it into something like this. So you guys know a lot of people will go and buy those foil balloons to put above their heads to celebrate hitting those milestones. Well, now you can fake the look of those objects with Magic Morph. If you want to do something like gingerbread, you could prompt it with that word to transform your shapes. Some other examples are cotton yarn or gold or fruit salad, if that seems to make sense for your brand. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop into Magic Morph, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. To get started with this design, I'm just going to open up a blank Instagram square graphic. From there, I am going to type in New Year's into the prompt on the left-hand side. And so what that's going to do is it's going to give me some of those glittery, fun layouts that I can put myself on top of. So I am going to select this one here. So I want to alter the way that this appears. So what I'll do is click on Adjust, and we're going to flip it vertical so that I have more black at the top. And then we'll double click it and drag it because the glitter was a little bit intense for me. All right, fantastic. So from there, what I want to do is we're going to leave this font here, and I'm going to pull in a picture of myself. So this looks like a really fun celebratory pose. I'm going to go into Edit Photo, and then of course I'm going to use my favorite magic feature, Background Remover. Without fail, I use this feature all the time. So I'll go ahead and cut me out of my background. And then I'll drag myself to the bottom of the image. Now, above my head, what I would really love to put is 2 million views. So we're going to use this text box here to add views to the design. And I would love some foil balloons above my head that said 2 million. So what we're going to do is we're going to create those shapes, and then we're going to utilize Magic Morph. So now that I have added in a graphic of myself in a celebratory pose, we've got our background, we have changed the text that was provided in the template to say views, we are going to locate Magic Morph by clicking on Apps, typing in Magic Morph into the search bar, and then selecting it from the left-hand side. After that, we're going to click on Open, and then select the element and tell it what we'd like for it to transform it into. So we're going to select the number 2, and we're going to change it to gold foil balloon, and then select Magic Morph. From there, it's going to give me some options, and then I can select my favorite from the left-hand side in the display panel. All right, perfect. So I think I like the third one. So we're going to select it there, and there is my gold foil balloon, which I can resize to fit my needs. We'll go back here. We'll select million, and we'll say again, gold foil balloon. Click on Magic Morph. So of the options here, I think I like the top left. So we'll select it there, remove our text here, and add in our foil balloons. So again, you can adjust where it appears. Actually, I prefer it there. We'll say 2 million views. Fantastic. And this is just a really simple way for you to celebrate your milestones. If you wanted to do more than just a text, you could transform a shape into a balloon. You could transform numbers or letters. And so this is just one example of how to utilize Magic Morph to create the design that you would like for your next Canva design.